The logical mode of operation in DF Trader lets you consider each order as a separate position, so you can apply different hedging strategies and manage your trading better. Activating logical mode is easy. Just tick its checkbox on the main toolbar of the desktop platform, and that's it. When you're trading in logical mode, price quotes and order IDs are coloured in purple in the desktop platform. You can easily tell which of your positions are logical. They have a little plus sign to the left of them in the positions window. Click on that sign to expand the position and see all your open logical positions in that instrument. You can merge all or part of your logical positions. Tick their checkboxes, then right-click on any of them and choose Merge Positions from the context menu. A feature that sets DF Trader apart from other platforms is that you can merge logical positions that are in the same direction, for example, two long or two short positions, rather than only opposite positions. You can close multiple logical positions in the same instrument, close only some of them, or merge them into a single position, whichever best suits your trading needs. You can close a logical position by opening a regular opposite position in net mode, so be careful when switching between the two trading modes. Furthermore, there are restrictions to the actions you can take if you switch between logical and net modes. If you open a position in logical mode, then switch to net and try to open an opposite position in the same instrument, you won't be able to. The same applies to going from net to logical mode. You can, however, place buy orders to long positions and sell orders to short ones, and you can also attach limit stops even if you toggle logical and net trading modes.